Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'm going to show you what are the default applications which came along with the POCO X8 Pro after the unboxing. So this is the POCO X8 Pro which I'm using in this video for the demonstration, and right now I'm going to show you exactly what are the default applications which came along with the device in the POCO X8 Pro at this moment. Let's find out what will the default applications. So and what are the default games also which came along with the POCO X8 Pro. So first application is Agada and Amazon. So two applications we got, and Facebook we got, Gemini is also there, LinkedIn is there, and Netflix is there, PhonePe is there, and Snapchat is there, VPS Office is there. Like close to 9 applications are installed by default in the POCO X8 Pro. So out of that, I think we might use Amazon. I will not use this application. Facebook we might use, but LinkedIn I will not use now. And Netflix we might use, but Snapchat I won't use. VPS Office also I won't use much. So there are a couple of things which are like okay, which are not okay. But 9 applications got installed in the POCO X8 Pro. And now let's find out the games. How many games are there in the POCO X8 Pro? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 games which are pre-installed in the POCO X8 Pro, like 9 applications and 10 games. I think if I can find, maybe there might be another few more applications as well. As you can see, this many apps got installed. Spotify is also there. I did not count that Spotify. Yeah, Spotify is also there. Like 10 applications and 10 games which came along with the POCO X8 Pro out of the box. 20 overall, 20 applications and games you can consider as a round figure, like that many came along with the device. So if you just imagine guys, for 20 apps and 10 apps and 10 games are not there, how clean it would look. But maybe because of that also the storage is kind of slightly used more. If I uninstall everything, the storage might be decreased also. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video. Until then, signing off, bye.